Alright, YouTube. Right now I got the stock engine start. I'm gonna change that out the economy way with the sticker. Right? Boom. I seen somebody rip all this out and change the actual start button out. Nah, son. The sticker. So, here we go. It also come with this joint for you could put on there, or you could put on the gas thing. But I don't give a fuck about none of that. So I'm gonna just change this one out right here, and we gonna see how we looking. Economy style, boy. Cause we ain't got time for all of that. Yep, it just come right out there like that. You ain't gotta peel nothing off. Let me see, I really need to learn how to do this shit. Alright, boom. And then you put it on there. Hold on, let me focus. I'm gonna let... And now I got a motherfucking red start button. Boom. Bam. Bam. Yeah, buddy. So, yep, that's it, boy. Got the red start, and it's looking good. You never know the difference, player. And that's me, Roger Dodger, mother lover.